Good morning, Royal family. It is me, Zubeyr here. Today, we are going again to analyze Forex market, and it's 17 January 2024. So, guys, I will give you the latest updates for the market. If we start today, we have GBP CPI yearly news coming out. 1 minute left, as you see here. So, guys, I already analyzed it here at JBP will be two options. First option to me is a buy direction, and I was expecting GBP to reach this high. So, and again here we have this trend line that it resisted many times, so it's possible as well to come sell. So first let's go to check the GBP pairs. You can see first JBP USD, we are expecting this target, so, and it didn't reach yet. The other pair is JBP AUD. All of them, you can see they are reaching the high for 1 hour time frame. So it is really possible, guys, for all these pairs to be in a sell direction today. Okay, so like when you see their structure, it is possible for them to be a sell direction. Now is coming the news. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It went by. It went by, guys, as you see here. It went by. Exactly, it went by. So let's look the number that came. It became 4, guys. You can see the previous was 3.9, so forecast was 3.8, so it's become high. So GBP is buy direction. So if we look this time frame, guys, it didn't refresh this yet, sorry about that. Yes, as I told you, GBP will be reach this high, and after that, yes, we can expect a strong sell. So boom, you can see, wow, even JPP JPY, our target was to reach this level areas, guys, and we blasted this trade yesterday, and you can see now it's almost running. Let's look how many pips. It's almost 180 pips, guys, but our goal is to get 292 pips. So you can see impulse correction, and now boom, the news make it already here 65 pips, which is quite amazing. Okay, and until today, of course, JPP pairs will continue in this buy direction. So even though all the structures of the JPP pairs, they are same, okay, you can see all of them are buy, they have a buy structure. So that's really amazing, guys, that's really amazing. Let's look at JPP USD. So JPP USD, guys, really this pair is amazing. We said that JPP USD, this area was a strong sell area, guys, as I told you, even though we had some correction here, as you can see, and then we said we will sell GBP here, and exactly it happened as we mentioned in the previous video. You can see 186 pips. So now when you look this area, okay, now the area which GBP USD is right now is a strong buy area. Why? Because, guys, you can see here it went previous for buy, which is almost 170 pips. So that is why the news for GBP is it become positive, and that's why here we have a little descending channel here, and boom. Okay, so that's why. But remember, the JBP only can reach around these areas, which is like 100 or 88 pips. But the main direction of this pair, guys, we are expecting to reach here, the target. So it can make a little pullback, it doesn't matter. So we are just expecting JBP again to reach our target. Sooner or later we will see that JBP will hit GBUSD will hit our target. So in the update I will let you know, guys. Another beautiful pair, guys, which is amazing structure, solid structure, guys, is Euro OED. Okay, so I shared with you this pair last week, and we said that like we will look this pair for entry, and we really get here, which almost hit our target 254 pips, and still it continuing buy. So really this was amazing pair. So another similar pair was Eurocat, but Eurocat we buy it somewhere here and it ended up 109, but now due to cat we get yesterday an entry here, and now it's almost 88 pips. So now we are still expecting to sell, okay, to sell Eurocad. Why I am saying that, guys? I am saying that because you can see the pure structure. We get impulse here. Now we have a correction is forming here. So what we are expecting is another impulse, guys. Okay, so this impulse where we need to get an entry, okay, and our target will be 120 pips, something like that. So, and I will share with you as soon as we get entry here, guys. Another really amazing pair I want to share with you right now is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, guys, you can see here we have like ascending channel here is forming right now, but you see now this high area for this double top, it bricked a little bit. Okay, so what we are expecting, guys, for NZD we are looking for sell. Okay, we will look for sell opportunity, but it can it depends on what kind of structure, guys, we get. Okay, for example, now you can see this trend line, it resisted many times and it didn't break. So now I'm expecting if we get an impulse, guys, somewhere here like this, and in 50 minutes we get correction, then yes, we are selling JBP, Euro NZD. Okay, so it depends only to get an impulse correction. After that we will get an entry maybe somewhere here, and we will ended up 100 or 90 pips, but we will see what kind of structure it made. Finally, guys, I want to share with you is JBP, gold. Gold, guys, as you all know, gold, those who were following me, we were analyzing since 2nd January. So, and really this pair like is amazing. We sell it here. Our target was 500. It hit. It retested here. Okay, 460 above. So now, where can gold go from here? Okay, so guys, for me, I was expecting gold to reach around this area. Okay, and when it ended up here, going back to another 400. So now another if we look this trend line, we can see gold didn't break this. Okay, here was our previous night rule target. So now you can see here trend line, it tested many times. Okay, so now we are waiting the fourth time gold. If it gold break here, guys, okay, if it gold break this trend line, yes, then gold will be in sell area around these areas. Okay, which is almost 353 pips. But if it didn't that happen, guys, believe me, gold will be a strong buy. Okay, strong buy. Okay, and this area, guys, okay, this area is a strong buy area. Be careful. Okay, now, so we should have patient and watch what the market showing us, and right after we get opportunity, yes. But for me guys, I have seen so many years like this kind of structures, okay, for gold. Like if you see it retests the trend line many times like this, yes, you are expecting another continuation. So it's a possible gold from here to go by, okay, here, and almost 780 pips. So be careful for that, and I will let you know the latest opportunity on gold. So and now we can see that still GBP Paris is a strong pie area. They are continuing, so we can see how amazing JPP JPY move is right now. So I am analyzing you guys in front of you. So this year I hope will be an amazing year to all of us, and let's see what the market gives. And every day I will try to give you an update guys about the market. So any update I'm always sharing on my Telegram channel. Keep an eye on that. See you guys.